Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials, Python 3. 8+ and Jupyter installed. Open a terminal and change into your project folder. This ensures notebook save where you expect. Once done, run Jupyter Notebook and the server launches in your browser. Note the URL and token if prompted. Create a new Python 3 notebook, name it, and run the first cell with a simple print, hello. This confirms environment and kernel are working before you proceed. You now build your workflow. Put imports and configuration in the first cell so the kernel loads required packages. Execute cells with Shift+Enter and use Control+Enter to test without moving focus. Make headings and explanations with Markdown cells. This documents why code exists. If something breaks, restart the kernel from the kernel menu and rerun from the top to recreate state. Also, pin a requirements. TXT or environment. IML so you can reproduce the environment later. You wrap up by saving and exporting. Use file right arrow download as to create. Py or HTML and commit the IPN to version control after clearing outputs to reduce diff noise. When sharing, include environment files so others can replicate your setup. If the kernel dies or hangs, make sure you activated the correct environment, reinstall any missing packages, and run Jupyter debug to see errors, often restarting the server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.